Hello everyone, my name is Paras Sushera, a student of MSc in Project Management at Ravensbourne University. In this video, I am reflecting on my final project titled EcoVision Summit Student Innovation for a Sustainable Campus. The main objective of the project was to bring together students lead sustainability ideas from different disciplines, promote environment awareness, and create professional connections, all through an Earth Day event. I designed this project with a structured approach and a clear goal to make a sustainability not just a concept but an experience. The first step is project plan and tools. To organize this summit, I use several key project management tools. A Gantt chart to schedule tasks, a work break structure to organize the strong matches, a risk register for identifying and upcoming challenges, a detailed budget plan and stakeholder analysis. The project was structured using the PMBOK knowledge area like time, cost, risk, and stakeholders management. The second step is project structure. The project structure was divided into four main components: exhibition, exhibition of student projects, lightning talks from innovative ideas, workshops on practical sustainability skills, networking awards ceremony. Each decision was deliberate. For example, choosing Earth Day as the event date increased visibility and relevance, including a digital voting platform, encouraged real-time engagement, and organizing activities across multiple tracks ensured with both academic and practical aspects were addressed. And I also considered cost effectiveness by using campus resources and involving student volunteers. And the third step is reflection on learning with Jeep's reflective cycles. I planned a full day sustainability summit starting from idea generation to budget, timeline, stakeholders planning, and risk analysis. The project went through is not just about theory, it's about a real world impact. As a project management student, I feel good about it that the strong alignment of project objectives with sustainability goals and well structured phases and effective use of management tools. And other is thing is creative and engaging event design. And also I have faced different challenges during this project, which are time pressure and overlapping deadlines, difficulty, really real stakeholders feedback, and moreover, after this project, it educated me how planning, collaboration, and adaptability were crucial. Tools like stakeholders mapping help me think beyond tasks to relationship. I also learned how event can survive as both knowledge sharing platforms and career development opportunities. Lastly, I could have done better in future by doing different things, such as involved more real test audience for feedback, created visual mock-ups of digital elements, started budget allocation earlier, and if I can get chance to same project again, then I could use different strategy. For example, I will apply hybrid agile waterfall model. I will use stakeholder interviews to make it more realistic. I will plan also contingency budget early, and this module has changed how I look at project management. It's not just about managing deadlines, it's about creating change with purpose. I have learned how to organize a project idea from idea to execution, how to think strategically under pressure, how to balance innovation with structure. I also grew personally. I became more confident in presenting ideas, better at organizing time, and more aware of the sustainability real life implication. Last but not the least, I want to thank my faculty, peers, and mentors who supported this journey. I am proud of the EcoVision Summit, just not just as an academic project, but as a vision for a greener campus. I hope to apply everything I have learned here in future projects that combine innovation, leadership, and impact. Thank you so much for watching my reflection video. I hope you found it understanding and inspiring. Thank you so much.